Hey guys, welcome back to Budville Motors here in Paris, Kentucky, right beside Lexington. We have another video for you. We want to show off our 1946 Hudson Super 6 pickup truck. As always, if you have any questions, please comment below this video, or you can call us at 859-340-4577 or visit us on budvillemotors.com, or you can email us at budvillemotorsllc@gmail.com. I'm going to shut up here for just a second and let you hear how awesome this truck sounds. As you can see, this Hudson pickup has a reverse hood on it, and it has a Ford Ranger engine and transmission, and along with all the interior in the cab is a Ford Ranger. The engine is the Ford Bronco 2 V6 2.9 liter edition, and the transmission is automatic. It only has 13,239 miles on it. The interior in the cab has a beautiful burgundy red that just goes beautiful with the canary yellow on the outside of the truck. The wood grain is a nice addition. The wood grain in the bed is beautiful, and it actually has the gas tank is in the bed, and it has a wooden cover. This Hudson truck is truly one of a kind. The Super 6 pickups were only made from 1945 to 1947, and in 1946 there were only about 3,000 of them made. And what makes this truck even more special is that it is on a Ford Ranger frame and with a Ford Ranger engine, transmission, and interior. It does have power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, and a cassette AM/FM radio. I don't think you have to hear it from me that this is a beautiful truck. It's one of my favorites that we have here. Absolutely beautiful. Never seen anything like it before. So if you have any questions, please, you can comment below this video, or you can call us at 859-340-4577. Email us at budvillemotorsllc@gmail.com, or you can visit us on our website, budvillemotors.com. And we have more pictures of this truck. We have other vehicles with pictures and videos. So please give us a call, or you can stop by anytime. We're here at 1350 Main Street in Paris, Kentucky, right beside Lexington. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a safe day.